With an automated tool, it's easy to migrate GitLab data smoothly and effortlessly. First of all, you need to create an account with our service. Next, you see a dashboard where you need to press Start Migration. After that, you need to choose your source project management platform and fill in the access credentials. Then configure your source connection as well. The next step is to choose your target platform. Then provide the necessary information. In such a way, you grant our app permission to migrate your data. Then configure your connection. Moving forward, you need to specify what data you'd like to import. You can choose separate records or all at once. Here you need to match source platform users and target platform users. There you can also add missing users or choose a default user profile. Complete this step to initiate the demo migration. Right after you click on the box next to Issues, you will see a pop-up where you need to set up the mapping of issue fields. Once that's done, hit the Save button to apply your settings. Now start your test import to see how your migration will look like. After the import, you will see the summary page with migrated, failed, and skipped objects and the buttons next to them, which you need to press to view reports. If the data migrated correctly, you can easily find it on your target platform. Ready to migrate? Go to app.reloca.com and try a free demo.